I'm Dr. Cynthia Cote at MD Cote, and we're here today to watch an under eye injection with a temporary HA filler called Belotero. This can give you a way to try on an under eye injection without committing to a more permanent filler. So today we're doing some Belotero, a temporary filler injection in the tear trough. And first we're just going to find where all the veins are, both visible and the ones we can't see through the skin. The Belotero will be injected down on the bone, and in this way it lasts quite a bit longer in very tiny dots, and then it's just rolled in with a Q-tip or our fingers. Also, having the Belotero down on the bone like this gives much more longevity to the filler. The muscle isn't moving it around like it would in another area of the face because it's under the muscle. So in this area, it'll last about a year. Now we'll do the other side. Just make sure that we're in between the veins. Little tiny boluses, just a little bit apart. And then with what's left, we can do a little bit in the crow's feet just to soften them. Belotero this way is injected very superficially in any line you have, like a vertical lip line or a crow's feet line, a glabellar frown line that isn't gone when you use Botox, and then just a little gel to really feel it, and a warm compress to help it flatten out. And as you can see, there's very little swelling. This client, she has a very small deficit, so we'll just mark out where we want it first. And again, checking to find where we're going to miss the veins so we don't give her a big black eye is always appreciated. Just use a tiny bolus and then we roll it in with a Q-tip. And a little bit at the tail of the brow to raise the brow, and a little bit in the crow's feet. And a warm compress to take out the swelling. What you can see is there's very little swelling with this product. We use a tiny diabetic size needle, and a beautiful before and after. So that was a couple of under eye injections with Belotero. It's a nice, soft, temporary hyaluronic acid filler that doesn't pull a lot of water like when we used to use Juvederm in this placement. And it should last you a year. So come on in to MD Cote and we can do a free consult about whatever your concern is and help you look even more beautiful.